Here I have SHARP Aquos R2, and today I'm going to show you how to add photo to contact on this device. So first of all, you have to open your phone, go to contacts, and next you have to select the contact which you want to add a photo. Then tap on the pencil icon to edit it, and here you have to tap on the camera icon to add a photo. And then you can select if you want to take a photo or to choose photo from gallery. Let's select the photo. Next you have to adjust it here and then tap done and then save. And as you can see, photo to contact added. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.